Hey, if you want to get the new control center on your Redmi 14C, then you actually have to wait for a new update. So if you are watching this kind of the scam videos, like from this channel, that you have to actually type into the support and it's gonna fix this. No, there's no way to do this. This is like all scam videos that actually waste your time, and there's like no option to get new control center without a new update. So take a look. If I'm gonna open my settings right here and input this control center, take a look, it doesn't appear here. It's just different settings, and even when I'm gonna open this like manually, I don't have this, a control center style, because it's currently not available for HyperOS. On the Redmi 14C you can find HyperOS, and it's basically just not supported. So you have to wait for the new version of the HyperOS, and then maybe this feature will be available. So as default, when you open your control center, or maybe this function with the changing control center will be available, but currently it's not available and you cannot do just anything about this. So basically, don't watch this kind of the scam videos, because they are just wasting your time. They want your attention, but it's not working. This is all clickbait. You cannot change it on your HyperOS Redmi 14C. That's all for this video. Quick information for you guys.